Welcome to the 13th of July 2019, where Natalie's room is a hospice, a breeding cage, a food reservoir, and restaurant, and a general everybody meet everybody else kind of place. So the budgie in the top has got a respiratory issue. The red rumps that are eating at the moment are a family with Opal and Sapphire. They were fighting with the offspring for a nest box. Then we've got Malachi, who's in the separate water dish. I think he's looking for a swim, actually. We've got Pearl, the cockatiel. We've got Harmony, who had a damaged wing and is still in repair and respite. We've got his mate Waffles, my bird, who looks a bit plucked because she is. He likes to pull her feathers and eat them. Yesterday we got this little addition to our family, a lorikeet, and we've named her Squirt, because when they poop, they squirt everywhere. And then we've got little Pumpkin, who is so named because of his colour, but he's got a gammy leg. She's got a gammy leg. So yes, welcome to our little menagerie in Nat's room, and Nat's responsible for making sure that we always have clean floors in here. So it's an ongoing, constant issue.